everyone, it's me Angel. Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. Ang ating video for today ay para po sa ating mga GSIS members sa mga naghihintay po ng updated na listahan para po makapag-avail ng emergency loan. Itong video na ito guys ay as of September 30, 2025 na listahan po ng mga areas para sa ating mga GSIS members na pwede pong makapag-avail ng emergency loan dahil apektado po ng calamities. Number 1, sino ang makapag-avail nitong emergency loan ngayon ni GSIS? Makakapag-avail po nito ang ating mga GSIS members, old age at disability pensioners. Number 2, ito naman po yung mga areas na affected po ng calamities kung saan pwede po kayong makapag-emergency loan. You have to make sure guys na pasok po kayo dito sa mga areas, okay? So sa areas covered po ng provinces of Romblon and Oriental Mindoro, ang inyong availment dates sa pag-apply for emergency loan ay mula October 1, 2025 hanggang October 31, 2025. Sa areas naman covered ng province of Masbate, availment dates nyo po ay from September 30 to October 29, 2025. Sa areas covered naman ng Municipality of Atok Benguet, ang inyo pong availment dates ay mula September 11 hanggang October 10, 2025. Malapit na to guys. So, sa mga taga-Atok Benguet dyan na hindi pa alam na pwede po kayong mag-emergency loan sa inyong GSIS, hanggang October 10, 2025 na lang po kayong pwedeng mag-apply. And sa areas covered ng Province of Sultan Kudarat, availment date September 8 to October 7, 2025. Malapit na rin. Areas covered, Municipality of San Quintin in Pangasinan. Availment dates niyo po is September 6 hanggang October 5, 2025. Sa areas covered ng Taguig City, July 30, 2025 hanggang October 29, 2025. Sa areas covered naman ng Parañaque City, availment dates from July 28, 2025 hanggang October 27, 2025. Sa areas covered naman ng Muntinlupa City, from July 27, 2025 hanggang October 26, 2025. Areas covered ng Caloocan City, availment dates from July 26, 2025 hanggang October 25, 2025. Areas covered ng Province of Rizal, availment dates July 26, 2025 hanggang October 24, 2025. Sa areas covered ng cities of Malabon, Marikina, Las Piñas, Navotas, and Valenzuela, availment dates nyo po from July 25 hanggang October 24, 2025. Sa areas covered ng Province of Cavite, the City of Manila, and Quezon City, availment dates from July 24 hanggang October 23, 2025. As of September 30, 2025 guys, yan po yung updated na listahan ni GSIS para sa mga areas na covered po, na pasok po sa kanilang emergency loan. Sa amount of loan naman, dito sa emergency loan, 20,000 po para sa mga active members, working or residing, and old age disability pensioners residing in the aforementioned areas without existing loan. Okay? And 40,000 naman po para sa mga with existing emergency loan. Ang interest rate po nito ay 6% per annum. And ang payment terms naman is 3 years. Alright, GSIS members, that's all for my video for today. Thank you so much for watching everyone. God bless you all.